video we spoke about the importance of critical thinking, particularly when sourcing our research material. While it can be easy to assume that all published material is unbiased, this isn't always the case. So how do we know what resources we can trust? Generally, you should select sources that have been peer-reviewed. This is a process by which a scholar will carry out research, write up their findings and submit it for publication. Before it can be published, the article will be reviewed by several academics or peers in a similar field. If the methodology or factual basis for the article is considered sufficient at review stage, it will be passed to an editor for a final decision. However, our critical thinking is still important even when we are using peer-reviewed research. This is because biases can still be, and often are, present. Often, in order to present an argument, researchers will cherry-pick facts which fit in with their own preconceived ideas. This is what psychologists call a confirmation bias. As this is a natural part of academia, it doesn't mean these sources can't be used. However, it is important to acknowledge and build upon this cherry-picking in order to ensure you are using your critical skills to curate informed, knowledgeable evidence to support your own argument. To recap, peer-reviewed or refereed academic sources are generally a safe option when selecting research material, but you will still need to critically think about what information is presented. It's important to remain mindful of the biases that might be present in the research you use. As academics, it is normal to want to confirm your own opinion, but you have to remain open-minded to changing your perception on an area of study. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more information and more videos.